So we're gonna draw the Okarun from the Dandadan, I think I said it right. So first we should draw the circle right here. I will draw it a little bit smaller because we need space to draw. It's circle, but we have a little angle, you know. It's not the right circle. I would select this. So we draw this thing. Just need to add some detail here. Here we're making something like this stuff, and draw another one circle. This one is a little bit higher. I think right there. Okay, let me draw it. Let me draw the circle. This one should have more angle than this one because he's far than our first one. Like this. Like this one. Here we draw the glass. Here we're adding some details and make this stuff a little bit longer. Here is dark. Okay, we have done it. Right here in this first circle we should draw the eye. In the middle we should take this distance here and start drawing the one eye. Straight line going under, and right here when we done our circle, as you can see, and right here like this. So, and we're adding some details under the eye like this. Adding details and drawing this eye. That's everything what we need. We have done it. So make him a little bit angry. Details here is the most important thing. Like make details right there. Here to make his more angry than he's right now. Add some details here like this, and here we have lines. Here we have a nose, you know. Okay, so here we have to make something like this in the center of this circle. We are going down to the brown a little bit higher and drawing something like this. It's going inside. Make this stuff dark. That's everything what we need right now. I will paint it after some time. Right now we have done it. Here we are going down. So let me do this stuff here. Going down and like this. Here we have going here and make connection. Here we're going down like this. Make here we make this points like this to the center. Here, same thing. It's gonna take a long time. I will show you after some time, like just like this, you know. Okay, we have done it. Going down, make it teeth. Just let's do this stuff. After we will paint it, so without any problem, we can do like this. His glass thing. Easily we can do like this. After go down and draw the teeth. By one by one, without any problems, without any purpose, without anything else. We just need to draw the teeth. You know, they are not so scary, I think. Just my opinion. It's just my opinion. I think it's not that scary as it should be. But it is going so long. Okay. Under, we starting right there and going like we have done it. This one is longer, as all of them. They're a little bit longer than we have drawn the first one. So I decided to take the frame from the manhwa. I can see a lot of stuff right here, unfortunately. Interesting. He can use his teeth as weapon, or it's just a mask. Interesting. I haven't seen this manhwa before, so I cannot tell it confidently. Here is my problem. But I will watch it when anime will come, so without any problem. So let's draw his head. Oh my god, so many times. So many times we are drawing him. Just because I'm talking, and this art needs a lot of details. This is the reason why I'm doing it so long. But I think you will get it better if I will try to explain to you, and we can have good connection with drawing his hair, adding details and other things is like this. Just add some details right here. They are important. Important. Straight lines right there. A little bit longer here. Gonna make him more emotional. Like this. And right there we have to do it too. He's angry, as we can see it. So we have done it. I will add some details. I will paint it. So thank you for watching.